To show you how to create mockups in Canva. And my name is Roz Cormier, and this is House of Prince New York, and this channel teaches you new tips and tricks on how to design in Canva. And if you have not already, please like and subscribe to this channel if you want to know any updates in Canva or any different ways on how to design stuff in Canva, etc. This is a channel for you. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Now let's get started. Okay, so when you want to create a mock-up, so we're going to do create a design. And actually, if you notice, Canva has new, they designed this whole new background, so it's kind of cute, but I'm so used to the old way, so, but this is fine. Let's go to create a design. Alright, so with this demonstration, I'm going to do a 8.5 times 11. So a US letter document. And so the mock-up that I'm saying for us to create is, you know, like when you go to, let's say, Etsy, or you go to like another shop and you see, you know what, let me show you an example. Instead of me talking, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go to Etsy. It's loading. Hope you guys are doing very well today. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so you see how this is actually, so this is an example of like a mock-up. So you see how this is inside of the frame, so that's an example of a mock-up, because this is a digital art and the person just puts it inside of the frame. So let's go to another. Okay, let's type up wall art. I can show you guys exactly what I'm referring to when I say a mock-up. Wall art printable. Okay, perfect. So you see this. So this can be like a. This is a mock-up. You know, it just shows you what it looks like inside the frame, but all you really do get is this. You just get, you know, the digital print, but they put it inside of the frame. So pretty much the customer can get the feel of what it's going to look like inside of the frame. And this is another example. So all the customer would get would be just they would just get the print. You know, not with the frame, but it looks like you probably would think you would get the frame, because if you notice, it says digital, no physical item will be sent, so you will not be getting the frame. All you're going to be getting is the sisters make the best friends as a principle. It's a digital document. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how to create today in Canva. And also same thing here. So all these things, good vibes only. So all this thing, welcome. Alright, so now let's get started. Alright, so now let's go back to Canva. Alright, so let's say we're going to do a text. Let's do this one actually. So let's do a quick and simple, easy one, right? Okay, let's just type in Lady Boss. Okay. And of course we want this. Let's change the font. Let's do something. Nope, not feeling that. Alright, so let's do play fair display black. Let me see. Alright, so let's change the font right here. Alright, so let's say we're going to do it and we can make it big like that, right? So let's say, alright, so Lady Boss. Okay? So if you notice, the purple keeps us intact. The center, the purple line down the center is saying that it's right dead in the center. Alright? So let's do Lady Boss. Right? So now of course, you would name your file so you can know what it is. Okay, Lady Boss. So we're going to do Lady Boss. Lady Boss art. Okay, so let's say we name it that. So now, when you do a mock-up, you have to first download it. You have to download it so you can put it inside of the frame. So we're going to download this now. So let's go to download. So pretty much simple. Lady Boss, end of story. Okay? So we're going to download that, and we're going to do it as a PDF print, or you could do it PNG, because when you do PDF print is if you're selling it, if you want the person to, when they get it, they will receive a PDF print document. But if you just want to put it inside of the frame, like the mock-up, and you can do a PNG. So we'll do a PNG for this example. Download. Alright, so we're going to wait for it to download. And we called it Lady Boss Art. So now I'm going to go get it. Okay. So now I'm going to go get it, and here it goes right here. So this is it right here. Okay. So now, when you want to do the mock-up, you'll just go to Add Page, or you can just open like another Canva document, which we'll do that. So let's do, and when you're doing a mock-up, normally it depends, I don't know what you're selling it on, but if you were to sell it on Etsy, Etsy likes their things to be custom size 2000 by 2000. That's how Etsy likes their images for people to click on so they can see. So we'll do this for the example. Okay, so we're going to open a new document. But it all depends on what platform you're, let's say you're selling it on, or whatever you're doing the mock-up for. But we'll stick with this size. So 2000 by 2000, and you guys can see it up here. So now what we're going to do is go to Elements, right? And we want it inside of a frame. If you notice, all of these are mostly inside of a frame. So we're going to do a frame. So let's go back. So what you would do is go to Elements. Actually, Photos, sorry. So Photos, type in frame. So you see, actually I have it here already. So you can just type in black frame, let's say. Okay. So we're going to search, and bingo. And here we go. So pretty much you would just pick which one you want. So let's pick this one. I actually like this one. Okay. And then now we're going to make it fit the screen, which you can do that by two ways. You can either make it like this, drag it, let's say, or let me click on the image, and well, with your mouse you can click right click, and you see it says set image as background. You would click that, and you see it fills the entire screen. And if, let's say, you want a particular thing in the picture, you would just double click the picture, and see, you can adjust the picture. So let's say you want this, let's say you want more of that. So let's leave it as this, or a little bit like this actually. Alright, so you'll just click done. And right now, so now we would go to upload media, and we would go get the file that we just downloaded, which is the Lady Boss. So let's go look for it. Ooh, it's taking a while. Probably because I have so much files on my computer, guys. So many files. Alright, so let's check recent first to see if it downloaded there. If not, we'll just go to, okay, actually there it goes. Perfect. Lady Boss Art. So choose to upload. So I'm going to upload here. We're just going to wait for this to, okay, now it's perfect. So now you see how that is. So all you would just do is like this. And pretty much you just want to make it fit the frame. So, see? So you drag it until it meets it. So we could do it just like that. You can keep going until it fits the screen. Okay. So just like that, Lady Boss. See how nice that came out? Just like that. So let's do another one so you guys can see. So you just go to Elements. I'm sorry, I always say Elements. Okay, so let's type in white frame this time. Okay, and let's make it a small one. Okay, you see that? So same thing, but normally at Canva normally has here, okay, so this is another way that you can fit this picture into the whole screen. So you would click on the picture, you would click on these three dots, click the copy, and just paste it there. So now you just delete this one, okay, and now you just have this. And once again, you can double click on the picture. If you want to adjust it like this, you can do that. If you want more of the flower to show, whatever you want to do. So let's leave it as this, like this, with a little bit of the flower showing. Okay, with that, you just do done. And same thing, we would go, if you already have a picture, then you can just drag this, you could just click copy actually, duplicate, and we'll get two, and just drag it down for it to fit here. Or if you like, you just go do the same thing again. You'll just go to your uploads, pick it up, and boom, and add it there. So whatever you prefer. Okay, so now we do the same thing. Okay, make that fit the screen. Okay, bring it in. Okay. And let's make it fit the screen more. And just like that. See how it says Lady Boss? So that's how you would do, so that's how you would create mockups in Canva. And the other option too for you to do mockups, they have the smart mockup. But for some reason on mine it's acting a little funny. So I'll probably would do another video on smart mockups. There we go right here. But for some reason it's not, I don't know why it's not working on my Canva account, so I actually have to ask Canva what's going on. So I'll do a separate video on how to show you how to do that as well. But this is the way that you would do a mockup in Canva, and you can do this for numerous different reasons. Like you can search whatever you want to, how you want to position what you are, something in a frame. This is exactly what you see on these. So pretty much what we just did. So you see how this says good vibes only. So that's exactly what we did in this video. So you see how they put it in different options. So pretty much is the same thing we just learned in this video. Alright guys, so thank you very much for tuning in to this video, and this video teaches you how to create mockups using Canva. You can create mockups for any different reasons, and you can also create them in Canva, which is, and you could, I believe you can do this also with the free version, because I'm pretty sure you can probably find you can probably find pictures of frames which are for free, because I have the paid version of Canva. So I'm sure you can probably do this as well. Maybe you won't have as many options, because you see how this says pro, so you probably just have to find, you know, let's say we put white frame with the free version, so you just have to look until you see one that says free, because these all say pro, so you need the pro account. But I'm sure there's some that's free. Let's see. Let's go through them. I'm sure they have a free one. Okay, so this is a free one, but this might not be what a person is looking for. But regardless of the fact, but if you don't have a paid version, then I would advise you to get one if you want to, because it looks like a lot of them is pro accounts. And you see how this is on the floor, so we could actually do this too. Simple as that. Just add it. Just, you know, make it big. 3 dots. Click copy style. Delete this. And we would, so pretty much just take that. We will duplicate it. Okay. And put it here. And just make it fit the frame properly. And simple as that, guys. So, but like I said, you can go through, if you have a free version, you can go through these frames to see which one is a free one and for you to choose. So thank you again for watching this video on how to create mockups using Canva. I hope you like this video, and if you do, Please like, share, and subscribe this channel with anybody that you know that wants to create a mock-up in Canva. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful and amazing day today. Make today great. Thank you again. Bye-bye.